As a generative AI engineer, your biggest challenge is knowing which model to use. Choose the wrong one, and you risk wasted time, poor results, and lost resources. Choose the right one, and you unlock powerful applications that deliver real value. These choices shape both technical success and business outcomes, and they define your credibility as an engineer others can rely on. In this video, we will discuss autoregressive diffusion and GAN models and the common business use cases for each type. We'll also cover how these generative models can be used as tools for creative collaboration. In your work as a generative AI engineer, you will build applications that create new things. These applications might generate images, predict future trends, or write helpful text. To build these powerful tools, you first need to understand the core models that make them possible. Knowing their differences gives you the confidence to match the right tool to the right task. This ability is what separates strong practitioners from beginners. First, let's look at generative adversarial networks, or GANs. A GAN uses a clever setup of two competing neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. They work against each other to create highly realistic outputs that can be indistinguishable from real data. As an engineer, you might use a GAN to generate synthetic datasets for training other models or to create photorealistic images for product prototypes. GANs are your go-to when the goal is to produce novel and believable data. Second, we have autoregressive models. These models are experts at understanding and creating sequences. They look at what comes before to predict what comes next. As an engineer, you will use this for tasks like financial forecasting, where you predict future stock prices based on past performance. You can also use them to power chatbots that understand conversation history to give better answers. Autoregressive models thrive wherever continuity and order matter. Third, there are diffusion models. Diffusion models are masters of creating very high quality and detailed images from text descriptions. This skill is in high demand. You could be asked to build a system that creates marketing images for a new campaign or generate artwork for a video game. These models give you precise control to turn ideas into visuals, blending creativity with precision in ways that few other approaches can match. You might think these models are very complex. We will break them down into clear, understandable parts. Another common idea is that these models replace human creativity. In fact, they are powerful assistants. They help you and your team solve problems and create new solutions faster and more effectively. Instead of replacing imagination, they expand it, giving professionals the tools to push boundaries. Knowing how these models work is only the first step. Your real value as an engineer is knowing their strengths and weaknesses. This allows you to choose the right model to solve a specific business problem, saving time, money, and resources. Companies rely on this judgment to guide projects toward success. By understanding the purpose of GANs, autoregressive models, and diffusion models, you are building the foundation for your entire career in generative AI. This knowledge will help you design, build, and innovate in any industry you choose. It also ensures you are prepared to adapt as new models and frameworks emerge.